What's up everyone, Zin with you, and today I'll show you how to delete repost on Instagram or remove it or doing an undo to it. So first, you'll need to go and open the Instagram application on your phone. Now, once you open the Instagram application, you should click on your profile icon on the bottom right side. And here you can find all the posts. Simply click on these two arrow icon just right here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you can find all the reposted reels or posts that you have actually reposted. So simply go and choose any one of them. Then click on this icon beside the comment icon. So simply click on this icon right here, these two arrows, just click on it. And now you have done removal to the repost that you have done actually on Instagram. And this is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and goodbye.